twist that I wasn't thinking.
Well, no, it was not Coca-Cola.
Oh, it was the real Coke.
It was the real. And that was the first time, I think, like, the little romantic part of me was like, oh, everything is like it was in the 70s or 60s or whatever.
I know.
But
Hey, everyone. Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Hey. So today, Katie.
Yes, Jason. Tell me. Whoa.
What?
Tell me all about it.
I love this mic moment.
I love the mic moment.
We are going to ask all of you to hit the subscribe button.
You must hit the subscribe button because we just don't listen to those that don't subscribe.
That was totally a Miss America moment. Excuse me. Can you explain world peace? Can you please explain world peace in one phrase?
Oh my gosh, what is that video?
Listen, can you please explain world peace in one phrase and say what you just said?
So whereas such as
people out there don't have maps like such as and everywhere like such as and
I believe in peace among all nations, whereas United States within the world describe whereas.
So hit that describe button, you know what I'm saying?
Such as.
Hit that, such as. That was fantastic.
Oh my gosh, you took the mic away from me.
Oh gosh. Clearly, hit the subscribe button.
Because we listen to your
we sure
comments
do.
And
follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, and hit up on the Patreon.
Yes.
Because we got extra fun stuff on there.
Oh my gosh, do y'all want to see my whole studio here in Nashville? That's where we film. What are you laughing about that?
I don't know.
Everyone wants to see my whole studio.
Oh, wow.
Jason, everything
I'm just knowing that most people have.
Oh my God.
The studio.
Oh my
So you're
gosh.
wanting all them to see it.
We do have artists from all over the country and the world coming here.
We do. We do. Let's do the video. Maybe we'll give them a little tour.
Yeah.
All right.
Done.
We have been tipped off this week to the Coke studio. Coke. What did I say?
Cook.
Oh, yeah. I was scared for a minute.
please give me Coke.
The Coke studio.
Yes.
You know, coming from LA, that can mean many things, but we're gonna go to the Coke studio. I've not seen this.
No, same.
Here we go, Coke studio.
Let's see who.
I don't know. We'll find out.
We'll see.
Coke
So
Studio.
it's Coca-Cola.
Season 14.
Coke studio. Ooh, I like it.
Oh, this is beautiful.
These colors.
Oh my gosh, that?
The film, like the quality of film. I'm like mesmerized. Pasoori. Ali, Sethi, and Shae Gill. That's who we're watching. Carlos, can we get a camera with this kind of quality? This is fantastic.
And the colors.
ਅਗਲਾਵਾਂ ਮਜਬੂਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਣ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਪਸੂੜੀ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਹਿਰ ਬਣੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇਰੀ ਪੀ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਪੂਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਣਾ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਇਆ ਦਿਲ
I dig this.
Yeah.
This is a vibe.
ਬੋਲ ਕੇ ਦੱਸ ਜਾਵੇ
The colors are just...
ਚੂਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਰਾਵਾਂ ਚ ਬਾਵਾਂ ਚ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲੁਕਾਵਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਰੋਕੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਢੋਲ ਜੁਦਾਈਆਂ ਦੀ
Yeah!
ਬਣ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੋਵੇ
Wow.
ਦਿਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਆ ਬੜੀਆਂ ਬਣਾਈਆਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੋਵੇ ਚਾਹੇ ਦਿਲ ਤੇਰਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਭੁੱਲ ਗਈ ਮਜਬੂਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੀ ਦਸਤੂਰੀ ਨੂੰ
Oh, I love her design.
ਸਾਥ ਤੇਰਾ
Oh, yeah, that tone and texture on that.
ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਣ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਇਆ ਰਾਸਤਾ ਨਾ ਦਿਖਲਾਇਆ ਦਿਲ ਹਮਾਰਾ ਤੇ ਸਹਾਰਾ ख्वाहिशात ਅਧੂਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾਵਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਸਾਰੀ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਢੋਲ ਜਦਾਈਆਂ ਦੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਖਬਰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੋਵੇ ਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਦਿਲ ਤੇਰਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਉਹ ਬੜੀਆਂ ਬਣਾਈਆਂ ਦੀ
Her tone is so smoky good. Nice.
Wow.
They're really good.
They're incredible.
They're really good.
अगलावा मजबूरी नू आन जान ती पसूड़ी नू जहर बने हाँ तेरी पी जावा मैं पूरी नू रावच बावच ओनू लुका मैं कोई मैनू ना रोके मेरे रोल जिता
Wow.
Yeah. Just this music makes you move.
So they're both so
Yeah.
Wow.
Whoa!
Okay.
I'm into all of that.
Completely. Visually, just what a dream.
What a dream.
Like, really, like, such a dream with the colors. Her tone and texture was incredible. And to be honest, the first...
It's so rich.
So rich. And honestly,
rich.
hearing him for the first few lines, I would actually really love to see Bieber bring in
Like
Nia
him, yeah.
to sing with.
That's a great idea.
Because I think that
It's a really good idea.
I think Bieber's great, but I think this would really challenge him for vocal stamina and flexibility.
Well, sure. I mean, just have flexibility for days. It's
For
built into
days.
the culture, right?
It's
like,
just
it's kind of like
incredible.
it's kind of like in America. Like if you grow up in a black church, you in most cases learn to have crazy licks and
Yeah,
lines, right?
it's
Singing in
amazing
the
with that
choir,
gospel,
singing with your
yeah.
grandma, your aunt, whatever.
Yeah.
That gospel influence just it naturally becomes you.
Right.
Same thing happens with so many singers because they just have that little aspect in their music
Yeah.
culturally. So that's a really good point that someone like Bieber to do a pop song.
Yeah, I've not noticed him. I've not known if he's done anything like that. I
No.
think he really should.
He totally
Everyone
should.
did.
It takes me right away to like Sting did a song
Yes,
with
Desert Rose.
Desert Rose. One of my favorite
Yes.
songs of all time.
Ever.
Ever.
I
That
still remember
song
that
is
video.
So good. And he had
In LA, LA, LA. Oh, it was so good.
so good.
Oh my god.
Go listen to that on
we
the
gotta
drive
go.
home.
We gotta listen to that.
Oh, we sure do.
Guys, go
But
look that up.
that's how cool it can be to see like a major pop star from America or England, parts
Yeah.
of Europe, to incorporate an international artist from somewhere else with their
Yes.
own style.
Yes.
It just really creates this unique and interesting dynamic that can really pop.
Yes,
Um,
I agree.
Together, they're fantastic.
Wonderful.
I mean, I'm
they're
definitely.
effortless.
There was a little thing at the end that popped up, said, listen on Spotify. I'm 100% adding this to my Spotify.
Holy cow, are you kidding?
And it's a challenge to all of you guys. Whenever you hear something that we do
Mhm.
or anything that you like, help
Streaming them. Stream.
help your artist friends out by clicking that little heart on Spotify or
Mhm.
iTunes and click the follow button. You may not have the money or ever want to buy anything from that artist. Used to, you could buy records or CDs, right?
Mhm.
That's harder now. It still happens, but it's harder.
Yeah.
But you clicking that little heart and the like button and the follow button helps the
It helps
algorithms
them a lot.
push their music, which will eventually help them make more money. So if you really believe in a song and just love it or an artist,
Yeah. Support them.
support everything.
Yeah.
Everything, right? Because it doesn't take money
Mm-mm.
to support someone. All
No.
it takes is a little
It
push of a
takes
button.
a few clicks. That's all it takes.
And it's weird in a way because like only 10% of our viewers actually subscribe to our channel, which is
Right.
totally fine, but if all 100% did, it'd be crazy.
It'd be
I mean, I think
insane.
those are
And
normal
think about-
numbers for everything. Like,
Yeah,
you know, but
think about that for the artists that y'all follow that
Yes.
you love. If you see something on this channel,
especially a new artist.
yeah,
Or an international artist that you want to have more world renown,
yeah,
like you do have the power, right? So same with this. It's like voting for your favorite artist,
Mhm.
right? Give them that little bit of support. So I don't went on that tangent, but
I
I
know
did.
we did.
We really
well,
did.
just because this
'Cause I believe
this
in it.
really inspired
I
us
believe
so
in
much
helping
because
artists, and these
I want to see them. I want to see them
like in,
thrive globally.
I want to see them, yeah, like a Staples Center. Well, it's not Staples anymore, but what's it called now? Bitcoin Crypto.com Center or whatever. Crypto.com Arena. That's a stupid name.
The Staples
like-
Center isn't the Staples Center anymore.
No, they changed it to Crypto.com Center.
Well, who would call something a .com center?
Well, who wants to even say all that in one sentence?
That's a lot.
It is a lot, but they paid a lot to have
but
that.
you know
so
what?
it's
Here's the
$1.
thing: we want them to sell at arenas all over the world.
Yes,
Because holy cow, what a great suggestion, you guys! Again,
Coke
even
Studio.
just
We're gonna do more of these.
yeah,
this is good.
definitely.
Really good.
And it's a beautiful studio.
It's what is that the studio or is
I'm
that the studio?
guessing. Is that
Oh yeah, it's called Coke Studio.
yeah? So I'm guessing that they bring the
I
artist
have a
in.
really funny story about. What's your favorite story about Coke? She lived in LA too. so this
I
could
did
be
live in
anything.
LA. Are you talking about the drink?
I'm
or-
giving you. It's an open-ended phrase.
You know,
There are no
there-
parameters.
There was a time when I was in a very there was a main party going on, but there was a party going on behind a curtain of a club
I'm
out
sure
there.
there was.
And I was very young and just always kind of said like, yeah, I'll go here, I'll meet this person. And I do go back behind the curtain per se. It was just a private spot. And I didn't partake in anything, but I was very surprised with the amount of Coca-Cola I did see.
Really? That's a twist that I wasn't thinking.
Well, no, it was not Coca-Cola.
Oh, it was the real Coke.
It was the real. And that was the first time, I think like the little romantic part of me was like, oh, everything is like it was in the 70s or 60s or whatever.
I know. And listen, if you've ever lived in, I'm not gonna like slam these cities because
Yeah.
I love them both, but it's very common in a lot of big cities,
A lot
especially
of big
LA
cities.
and New York, that's a thing.
Mm-hmm.
That's where she took it.
I've never.
Oh, I've never done it. I never will. But my favorite Coke story is one time I went to the Coca-Cola Museum in Atlanta. Have you ever been there?
You would walk me into a
Have you-
trap where I talk about something that's risque, and then you'd be like, I went to the Coca-Cola
Yeah,
facility,
I'm not-
and you know what? My dad was best friends with the owner of it.
Yeah, I was a good kid and I'm a good guy. Like
You were a good
I
kid, but
haven't
I don't
lived
know
the
about
life
being a good guy right
I
now.
haven't lived the life you've lived. You know, that's why I'm trying to find these stories out for the first time. I'm at the Coca-Cola Museum, and at the end of the tour, you see all the things about Coca-Cola, right? Have you been? At the end of the tour, they dump you in this room, and it has
Dump you in Coca-Cola.
It has there are all these like fountain machines all the way in this massive room, all the way around the room, all the way around the wall. And you get little cups, and you can taste every version of Coca-Cola around the world because
See, I'm
they
not a
all
soda
taste
drinker.
different. I'm not either, but they all taste different. But you're at the museum, so you taste it. So literally, there's like over
I bet it
60,
tasted
maybe 100.
so much better overseas.
Well, I mean,
Like the Coke that was based from like in Germany or
well, yeah, but some taste like
France
some
or-
don't taste like Coke at all. Some are like taste like like lime or peach, or they're very different flavors all around the world.
Yeah.
My point in all of this is after tasting all of them, because it's like over 60 probably,
Wow.
I walked straight out of that place and I puked everywhere because I don't drink soda. So
You know what? At least I did not puke. I looked real good, and I had some celebrities' numbers.
yeah, you did. So, while I'm drinking Coca-Cola in Atlanta, you're in the Coke room in LA.
Yes,
Explains
but
our personalities
not
perfectly.
doing a thing, but getting numbers.
Exactly.
Yes.
Until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie
and
Talbot.
we are Vocal
Vocal Lab
Lab Collective.
Collective.